Let's see the next program, that is merge sort. So the concept of merge sort is based on divide and conquer method, meaning we need to first divide the whole list into two parts and then subdivide these two parts into further two parts till we get one element, only one element. After getting one element, we start sorting these elements. And this is conquer process. First process is divide process until we reach till one element, and then conquer meaning merging these each one element, compare each one element with another and start merging sorted list. So that's why this is called divide and conquer method. Let's see the process by an picture example. So there is a list. So the step one, we need to divide that list into two parts. So the part can be both part can be even or one part can be odd. So if it contain one part odd, then the first part will contain maximum element. Here is 7 elements, so it will divide it into 4 and 3 parts. Then further the same process will go on until we will reach till one element. So this list will further divide into two parts. This list will further divide into two parts. Again it will be divided into two parts. It will be divided into two parts. Here is one element, so it will be as it is. Now the divide process is end. Here then the conquer process will start. So in conquer process, the two elements will be compared and will be sorted. So here 33 and 27, in sorted list it will be 27 and 33. We are going in ascending order. Here two element will be compared and it will be 343. Here 982 and it will be 10. Then there are four element. Again we will compare two element and merge them. This is conquer process until we reach to the initial list, or the list contain number of element equal to initial list. So here we compare four element. The minimum one is 3 in all these four, then 27, then 38 and 43. Here we compare three element and it will be 9 and 82. Then again we will conquer these two elements. Now they are two elements, and here the smallest element is 3, then 9, and all list will be ascending order after conquer process. So this is the process. Let's see its code, how we will do it. So in the code there will be two functions. First function to divide and second function to conquer, and we will apply these two function into two different lists, in the left list and right list, while dividing. So this is the program. Let's see it on spider platform and we will run it also. So we are creating a function named merge. It contains array which need to be sorted. L is left element, M is middle, M for middle and R for right. So we are taking three variable. N1, because we are dividing array into two parts, so the two parts, one will be N1, one second will be N2. N1 equal to M minus 1 plus 1, meaning the middle one minus 1 plus 1, and the second N2 is right minus middle. So we are getting two pointer. We need it to point our two list. So we are assigning L and R, the address of 0th element of list 1 to L and address of list 2 to R, right, left and right list. So we are here using 0 because 0 is for base address and pointer, and N1 pointer for address of N1, and we are assigning to left and L and R to L is pointing to left list and R is pointing to right list. Then we are using a for loop for left list because it is still N1, 0 to N1, and we are assigning element of array that is of left side because we are here using L plus I, left array plus I element, what we have seen here. this is left array. So the L pointer is here. So we need to count these point L plus 0, L plus 1, L plus 2. So here it is L plus I. We will assign to list L because we are dividing this list into R list and L list. This will be, this is L list and this is R list. So here is L is left pointer. So L plus I, here we will go I equal to 0 starting from 0. So L plus 0, L plus 1, L plus 2 and L plus 3, these will be element. Here the element will be R plus 0, R plus 1 and R plus 2. So so here all element in left list of left side and right side element will be in right list. So this will go from range 0 to n to an array of m plus 1 plus j, middle plus 1 plus j, because it will the right list will start from middle plus 1 from here. The right list will start and will go on till n2. Here we are assigning, we are using three variable assigning I0, J0 and K1. Index of first subarray, second subarray and merge subarray. So the next step, uh, for whole list we are comparing if n1 less than I and n2 less than n1 is greater than I, meaning the pointer I we have which is less than n1, meaning the pointer I is here, n1 is here. So it will go on till I, when I reach till n1. So I must be less than n1 and will move forward. Here j must be less than n2. It meaning there is element in list. If I and n1 is equal, meaning there will be one element only. Both are pointing the same. So I must be less than to n1 in start because n1 is last node, I is pointing to first node. So this is the condition I less than n1 and j less than n2. If li, now we are start comparing what we did here. We are comparing and if li less than left of I less than r of j, then now array of k equal to k is middle. K is representing middle. L of I or I, then I equal to I plus 1 as array of k equal to r of j and j plus 1. So here we are finding the middle element and here we are applying the same in both sides. If I less than n1, so this is for left array subarray and this is for right subarray, and we are comparing element and moving one ahead. It is comparing middle element to left. If it is equal, then I equal to I plus 1 and j equal to j plus 1, and the same is happening in right list. So it is assigning array of j to array of k. K is middle element, j is right element. Here L is left element, k is middle element. So it is assigning and moving forward. What we are doing here. So because middle element, we are assigning this into middle and dividing it into two part again. Then merge sort. There is another function. We are using two function. One is merge and another is merge sort. The merge sort function contain array left and right. So m equal to m is middle element. So here m equal to L plus r divide to r minus 1 because list start from 0, so it will reach till r minus 1. Then we will call merge sort. First merge sort for L to M, meaning left element to middle. Second merge sort for middle plus 1 till R. These for sorting, merge sort, and then we merge array left, middle and R. So it will conquer process. We are merging meaning conquer. So this will call after half method. So this is conquer process from here. So in the program we are first taking empty list, uh, printing a message, enter number of element. We are taking element integer type, and if we are taking n element, we will use loop from 0 to n, enter value 0, first, second, third, likewise, and append list what element we are inserting. It will print unsorted list. This is the message, and unsorted list is lst what we have taken. Then l equal to length of lst. If we want to find out the length, then we call merge sort lst. We have given here array, so array is lst, and from 0 to l minus 1, it is what it is written in merge sort l to m, and so we will call merge sort for this merge sort function, and we'll get sorted list by the whole method. So let's run the program. It is asking enter number of element from here. Now we will need to give input. If I want to sort only 5 elements, so it is asking first value. Randomly I am giving some value, so 5 element I have entered. So unsorted list I have entered 62943, and the sorted list contain element in ascending order. So this is the concept and program for merge sort. Thank you.